G'day guys, Noah here, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we'll be doing a full tour on the truck, interior and exterior. We just shined it up so she's ready to go. Let's get into it. If you like this sort of content, like, subscribe, comment and let us know on what you want to see next. Let's go.
This is your on the beat.
Alrighty guys, so here's the truck in its full shine, pretty much. Everything is being detailed, tyre shined. So it looks good from far. It's not perfect, but from far. Gets the job done for a midweek shine. Midweek, it's Thursday, so one more left. Tyres butted. Tanks not too bad. Stacks were clean enough, so I didn't bother doing that. Chassis is not clean, so I'm not going to go zooming into that. But everything else, the sun just shines off it. What you love to see. Top of the stacks, that's a tomorrow's job. One more day of sooting left and then we'll wipe them down. But nah, there's the full exterior walk around. Not bad for a local truck that gets driven every day. And there we are. Now we'll go do a interior tour. Just got blinded by that shine. I don't know if you saw. Here is the interior. Bostron seat, has an arm, all the gold gauges, steering wheel, Cummins stickers, shiny bonnet, all the buttons, custom made watermelon lights, IT bunk, it's pretty small. Gets the job done, but a fan, all the air fresheners, fridge, bring all your food with you. Since I do fridge work, all my jumpers, beanies, neck warmers, and since we live in Melbourne, all the waterproof gear, whether it's hot or cold. When it's cold in Melbourne, we chuck on that big orange one. And when it's hot but raining, I got just a lightweight windbreaker. But there's the interior, there's not much to it. Small cab, 18 speed, 2 radios. One of them's not gold, which does my head in. and 2 radios which are different, which also does my head in. But hey, don't want to complain too much. Not even complaining, just stating they're 2 different radios. If you have OCD, that will do your head in. But nah, that's the go. Again, appreciate it for watching. We just turned the truck on, we're about to park it. I'm sweating up a storm, it's hot here. Next few days, it's gonna be cracking heat. Got the singlet out. But yeah, appreciate all you guys for watching. Comment, let me know. Don't be ashamed to comment. I love all the comments, negative, positive. Tell me how you're feeling about the videos and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. And one more video, just because the lighting in here, it's A1. You can actually see how nice it comes up. Beautiful. And that'll do it.